Hello guys, Ainsler Applewood here, coach of Oxford City Football Club. I'm glad you are enjoying it, and as long as you keep watching, I will keep coaching. Go Oxes! Look, football management isn't about forcing players into a system. It's about building a system that lets your players thrive. Going into this stretch, we faced a massive dilemma. We didn't have a true, traditional number 9 up front. No out-and-out clinical striker. So we adapted. We deployed a fluid 3-4-3 system built around a false 9, overloading the spaces that teams in this league simply don't know how to track. The secret to this shape is how it completely shifts our attacking profiles. By vacating the traditional striker role, we moved Dominik Anishko off the left wing and brought him centrally into a dynamic shadow striker second role. He is pulling centre-backs completely out of position, and that chaos creates oceans of space on the flank. Who steps into that space? Our youth standout from Arsenal, Jakai Fisher. Moving Dominik inside opens up the left wing perfectly for Fisher to stretch defenses and show exactly why he's one of the most exciting young talents in our ranks.